want to thank Kellie for really starting me off in Bridge Builders. She's the one that originally created and founded this group, and she handed over to me July 5th, and I took the ball and ran with it.
Bridge Builders was a networking group I started many years ago because I didn't like networking and I wanted to find a deeper way to make connections with people, and so this group is very near and dear to my heart, and so I'm really proud of her. She's done a wonderful job. She's connected so many people to my course and the people in the course to each other, and that's the name of her game. So she's going to be doing these events on a regular basis, and I commend her for all her great work. She's phenomenal. Please get to know her.